everyone. Welcome back to our channel Youth for Work. Today I, Siddhartha Serene, will discuss about Railways Recruitment Board RRB in detail. RRB is one of the largest recruiters in India for government jobs. RRB is an ocean of opportunities for thousands of job aspirants. Indian Railways conducts recruitment drive for the post of Assistant Loco Pilots, Technicians, Station Master, TC and RRB 21 regions, that is ALP Technician Grade 3. The recruitment is conducted throughout India on the basis of a written test. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for Railways Recruitment Board. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. The minimum educational qualification for that of ALP is matriculation or SSLC plus ITI course completed at apprentices or diploma degree in engineering. The minimum educational qualification for the post if Technician Grade 3 is matriculation or SSLC plus ITI course completed at apprentices or diploma degree in engineering or 10+2 with physics, maths. The age limit for the candidates is from 18 years to 30 years. In this video, we will be discussing about the exam pattern for RRB exam. There are a total of 120 questions in the exam which are to be attempted in a total of 90 minutes. There are total 6 sections in the exam. The General Awareness section will have 25 questions for 25 marks. The Arithmetic section will have 20 questions for 20 marks. The General Intelligence section will have 5 questions for 5 marks. The Reasoning section will have 10 questions for 10 marks. The General Science section will have 30 questions for 30 marks. The Technical Ability section will have 30 questions for 30 marks. The exam is conducted in online mode. Correct answer gives you +1 marks. There is no negative marking in the exam. We have provided the entire link for the entire syllabus in the description below. Sharing a few tips and tricks for this exam. Firstly, go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Be in touch with the current affairs. This will help you in the General Awareness section. Make sure the political and historical scenario of India is on your fingertips. One should study regularly and revise the concepts on a regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Positive attitude and confidence is very important when preparing for any exam. Keep yourself motivated. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them constantly. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, type of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below.